Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever found yourself hiking in the dark wishing for a headlamp as versatile as your adventure, but don't want the extra weight? Well, wish no more. Today I'm introducing the ultralight NU25 MCT and the NU25 MCT UL, the headlamp that's gonna light up your life in more than one color. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Do you know the difference between the NU25 MCT and the NU25 MCT UL? It's the headband. The NU25 MCT give you a headband for ultimate comfortability and stability. The NU25 MCT UL give you the ultimate lightweight and the ease of adjustability. But before we go into too much details, let's talk about the NU25 from last year. The NU25 in the past has been a must-have for lightweight backpackers and runners for its ultralight design and the easy-to-use operation. This new edition has everything you love about the NU25 with a new innovative LED technology. The multicolor temperature MCT and ultra-high efficiency UHE, these LEDs that allowed you to change the color temperature between warm, neutral, and cool white without sacrificing power output. The warm light 3000 Kelvin is great for cutting through fogs, rain, and even snow, and it's easier on the eye. Neutral light 4500 Kelvin, it's balanced all around light. It's very similar to natural daylight, which make it great for all kind of activities. Cool light 6500 Kelvin, it's perfect for maximum brightness and range and getting sharper details. All that comes in a compact, super light, rechargeable, durable, water and dust proof package, but we'll get into that later. For now, let's talk about power. The NU25 MCT does not disappoint. The high mode is 400 lumens with 144 yards throw and 2 hours and 40 minutes runtime. Medium mode is 200 lumens with 102 yards throw and 5 hours of runtime. The low mode is 60 lumens with 55 yards throw and 13 hours of runtime. The ultra low is 6 lumens with 14 yards throw and 45 hours of runtime. But wait, there is more. Protect your night vision with a red light mode. The high mode gives you 15 lumens for 10 hours and the low mode gives you 5 lumens for 26 hours. And there is also slow flashing red mode, which is 15 lumens for signaling. And in an emergencies, the beacon and the SOS mode give you 400 lumens to ensure you're being seen and safe. Now here is what comes in each box. You get a diffuse sack, USB Type-C cable, manual, and of course the headlamp. When it comes to runtime, it can get you 45 hours of runtime on the lowest settings and 2 hours and 40 minutes on the 400 lumens maximum output, thanks to its built-in 700 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery. And it's 2025, so it definitely has a USB Type-C charge port. And if you need to know how much juice left, a simple press on the mode button while the headlamp is off will show you the battery indicators. Following in the footstep of the NU25, these headlamps are lightweight, but also the lightest multicolor temperature headlamps in their class. Weighs a little over an ounce and a half. No more next training on these long adventures. For those familiar with the NU25, these buttons are the same style. You get the power button and the mode button. Super easy to use with different shape and texture, so you can feel them even with the gloves on. No more fumbling in the dark trying to figure out how to change the brightness level, color temperature, or even switching the mode. The breathable reflective headband on the NU25 MCT keep you cool and visible at night. If you need a maximum comfort and stability, go with the NU25 MCT and its headband. Or you may prefer the reflective and easy to adjust paracord on the NU25 MCT UL. If you prefer lightweight and minimalistic gear, the NU25 MCT UL and its paracord might be a better fit for you. The included diffuse sack transfers your headlamp into a lantern, perfect for reading or ambient camping light. They're built tough. The NU25 MCT and the NU25 MCT UL is IP66 water and dust proof and can withstand a drop from 1 meter, ready for any adventure you throw at it. And now for the comparison. Let's see what changed. The NU25 is one of the most favorite headlamps for hikers, campers, and runners due to its being super light and compact. It has a 200 lumen spotlight and 200 lumen floodlight, or you can use both modes to get 400 lumens and 64 yard throw. It has one color temperature, which is 5500 Kelvin. It's rechargeable with 650 mAh lithium-ion battery, and of course a USB Type-C charge port. The NU25 MCT and the NU25 MCT UL inherited the shape and the design, but with big upgrades. The most important one is the new MCT UHE LEDs, which give you 400 lumens with 3 color temperatures: warm 3000 Kelvin, neutral 4500 Kelvin, and a cool 6500 Kelvin, which make it perfect for any weather condition. And the max throw almost tripled at 144 yards, enough power to light up your way and beyond. Upgraded the internal battery to 700 mAh lithium-ion battery, and of course still have the USB Type-C charge port. And believe it or not, it got even lighter, weighing only 1.76 ounces. And the UL version even lighter at 1.66 ounces. Now these are truly a light headlamps. And now for the operation guide. To turn on the headlamp, long press the power button. It will start on low and on the neutral color temperature. To cycle through the other power level, simply press the power button again. You will get mid, high, and back to low. And if you want the ultra low mode, simply when the headlamp is off, double press the power button. If you want to change the color temperature, press the mode button. You will cycle through warm, cool, and back to neutral. If you need to use the red light, when the headlamp is off, long press the mode button and it will turn on the red light, and it will start on low. If you want to change to the other power output, simply press the power button. You will cycle through high and back to low. And by double pressing the mode button, you will get the SOS mode. While you're on the SOS mode, if you press the power button, you will switch to the beacon mode. Press it one more time, and you will switch to the red flashing light. If you need to lock it, just simply press both buttons, the power and the mode button, for 2 seconds. And to unlock it, just press them again for 2 seconds, and it's unlocked. Now here's my take on the Nitecore NU25 MCT and the NU25 MCT UL. These little headlamps are so light, you can easily forget that it's on your head. It's lighter and smaller than your earbuds, yet packs a lot of features that other headlamps are lacking. It's 400 lumens with multicolor temperature, rechargeable, durable, water and dust proof. What else you need? Whether you're hiking, camping, running, or just like to do your DIY projects at night, this headlamp got your back. Let us know in the comments what do you think about the multicolor temperature feature in the NU25 MCT. Do you prefer the NU25 MCT or the NU25 MCT UL? Until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.